If your Chevy Equinox backup camera works but the guidance lines have disappeared, don't panic. It's usually a simple setting or a software glitch. Statistically, over 85% of these cases are solved in the infotainment menu rather than by replacing hardware. Let's start by checking the easiest solutions first before we look at the wiring. First, navigate to your settings menu and verify that the guidance lines toggle hasn't been accidentally switched off. Software resets after a dead battery or a system update are the most common reasons these settings flip back to default. If the menu setting is correct but lines are still missing, we need to inspect the physical connections in the liftgate. Distinguishing between a settings error and a hardware failure will save you hours of unnecessary diagnostic work. While a menu fix is free, replacing the entire camera module at a dealership can easily exceed $400. If the menu is correct but lines are missing, try a hard battery reset to force the infotainment system to reboot. Always ensure your liftgate is fully closed, as a partially open hatch will often disable the guidance line overlay. Remember that while these lines are helpful, they are just a digital overlay. Always trust your physical mirrors first. Check those settings and reset that battery. You'll likely have your guidance lines back in no time. See you in the next fix.